Everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Well, it's been a while, quite a while, since I made a video for this channel. Reason being, I had a bit of a bug, and then we had a freezing week of brutally, sorry Mom, I said brutal. She told me not to say that anymore. Brutal cold weather, and I hibernated. And then I got a bug again. So it's been a pretty rough time, and I've been trying to just stay in, take care of myself, and lethargic beyond belief. I'd get up, I want to do something, I'd look at it, and I'd sit back down. I don't know what that was, but that was not nice at all. But that's gone. I'm good now. I just wanted to share with you what's been going on. There's no wood left. Nothing. I didn't even do any videos. I did one video. I don't remember what it was. I did a video for Country Wood Products a week or two ago or something. I had a good day. But there's nothing left here at all. Well, if you're not working, you can't get out there and get the wood in. So it's all gone. The only thing left here is what we're selling, and that's not even premium wood. We're selling the dregs, because I got to get back out and get to work again, make some money. But anyway, I did start, before my collapse, I did start up my my electronics channel again, so I do hope you check that out, guys. I decided, you know what, I might be able to get remonetized, and YouTube is making money off my videos anyway. So I mean, they're playing, they're there, and I have a lot of electronics things that I enjoy doing from time to time, and there were some projects that just didn't fit this channel that I was holding off on because I just didn't think it fit. And you know what, I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna work the electronics channel, and maybe in summer I'll work the tactical channel. I did find really cool, something I can do indoors. I did find some gold on a beach in Lake Huron, and I didn't play around. We happened to be passing through a certain area, and I saw some black sand, and I scooped it up real quick. I mean, it was cold out. I was not wasting any time, but I scooped up a bunch real quick and threw it in the vehicle, brought it home. I did not expect anything, but I was highly surprised to find 7 colors, which is 7 flakes of gold in a single pan, a single test pan. So check that out on Michigan Prospectors. I'll put the link down below, and subscribe if you haven't. Cool things going on over there, and I'm going to be working that again. I've got gold fever. Spring is here, and in the early morning hours when I'm up, or when it's too cold or rainy or miserable, I can work on that inside, or the electronics channel or whatever. But what else? The Michigan Prospectors, Country Wood Products. Got a video on free energy coming out of seemingly nowhere on my electronics channel. I've got to get back up there. That lethargy, I don't know what that was, but I'll tell you what, I would walk up there and I'd look at it and I'm like, oh, I want to do this. I really want to play with this, experiment with this some more, and learn about it. And then I'd sit down. But that's past. I have a capacitor, which is sort of like a rechargeable battery, sitting on my workbench in my office, seemingly recharging out of thin air. Figure that out, I don't know. But there it is, it's on video, I demonstrated it. I'll put that link to that video down below. These are random things that have happened in the past weeks, here and there. But back on my feet, I think I feel good. I think I'm okay. I feel like working. Anyway, some updates and changes coming up on Country Wood Products. Some things have gone away, and new things are coming in. So, doing some working and changing out on that. And I'll get back to my homesteading videos and the planned projects that I wanted to do. I think that covers everything. I'm back. I got to rebuild, restart everything, and enjoy this 41-degree morning before the rain hits and the next deep freeze comes, because it is supposed to get really, really, really brutally cold. Well, talk to you all later.